Sept. Hey everyone, it's Ryan here from Whakapapa Ski Patrol, just giving you a bit of an update for the backcountry avalanche conditions for the weekend coming. Today's the 1st of September, first day of spring. Currently things are looking pretty good in the snowpack. As you can see here, things are pretty firm. We've had a really good melt freeze over the last while, so things are really solid at the moment. Awesome conditions out here for avalanche wise. For the weather, they are calling potentially for a little bit of snow tomorrow midday. We're not too quite sure how much that's going to come to. So if not much comes of it, the conditions are going to be pretty good. However, if we do get a bit of snow, that's going to come with some wind from the southwest, and we're going to have to be pretty careful of slabs at higher elevations. So if we get the snow, come in and check with us at Ski Patrol before heading out. But yeah, it's looking like an awesome weekend to get out ski touring and enjoy the backcountry.